Hi writers, it's sharing day. Today was always one of my favorite days in the classroom because I got to hear your stories that you've been working on in this process. So today you're going to do that. You're going to share one of your favorite books so far. Writers do this. It's a really important step as a writer to share your writing because your purpose is to share your ideas with others. So it's good to get a chance to do that. So today, writers, when you share, I want you to think about what kind of book you wrote. So you're going to introduce your book and say, I wrote an all about book. And then think about your topic and tell your topic. And my topic is, and tell them your topic. And then you're going to read your whole book so far, what you have on paper. So if you don't have someone to share with today, if your home teacher's not there, you can ask your home teacher to take a picture and then send it to me and share it with me. When your home teacher has time, you can share it with them. You could share it with a sibling. You could maybe call someone on the phone or FaceTime with someone, maybe your family member, and share your book with them. Or today I don't have anyone here, and I'm just going to share my book today with Twigs. Twigs is a really good listener. Twigs knows how to sit and listen while I read. So I'm going to read to Twigs, and I'm going to get my yoga book ready. And I'm going to share with him my all about topic. I'm going to share with him my favorite part that I wrote. And I'm going to share something that was tricky for me that I was struggling on, like a harder word that I persevered through and I'm proud of. So have fun sharing today. I wish I were there sharing with you, but you can always send me a picture of your work and let me see how great you're doing with your writing. I'm really proud of you writers. Enjoy your day.